techniques. Art serves multiple vital functions that support and enrich religious life, acting as a powerful bridge between human experience and spiritual beliefs. So example is kaning art ni Leonardo da Vinci, which is kaning The Last Supper. This artwork shows religious ideas that help people connect with spiritual ideas. So next guy, economic function. Art can have economic value, with artists earning livelihood from their works. Example kaning art of Mona Lisa. So imagine guys, ang kaning art of Mona Lisa naka-attract ni siya og over millions. So with this, makatabang ni siya sa country's economy. Muna siya kuan, powerful kay ang art. So next,
Ang philosophical perspective on art, diri nga kuha nato ang mga galaylaki nga perspective sa mga
ako
philosopher about sa art. Una diha,
hindi ko kay ako may
Art as
nagkuan.
Imitation by Plato. Plato saw artists as imitators and art as a copy of reality. The physical world, an imperfect copy of true forms or ideals. The world of forms and art is a further imitation of that already imperfect world, because art appeals to emotion and not to reason. Plato regarded it as suspicious and or as dangerous. Ang belief ni Plato kay ang art daw can lead individuals away from the truth or the reality. He believes sad nga ang art can weaken the mind of individual because it appeals to emotion and not the rational side of our soul. So, ang ikaduha is art as representation by Aristotle. Aristotle agreed that art imitates but not as a mere copy of reality. Instead, art represents possible versions of reality, showing what might be rather than merely what is. This view gives art a broader, more philosophical significance than Plato allowed. So, si Aristotle, ang iyang view is art is a representation, represents sa mga possible versions of reality. He also believed nga art is a creative, then nasa tendency nga ang mga tao daw kay ano, maka-learn or understand the world naturally or through the art, because it portrays the possibilities, mga potentials, and universal truths of life. So, muna yung view ni Aristotle about art.
Art
Next,
as interested judgment by Immanuel Kant. For Kant, the judgment of beauty is central to understanding the art. Sa kita kang Kant, ang pag-describe nimo unsa kanindot sa art, ara gid nimo masabtan og ma-feel ang art. It can be recognized universally despite its subjective nature, and this universal appreciation is independent of personal interest. So what was that mean? For Kant, bisan lain-lain ang opinion sa mga tao, na-appreciate gyapon nila ang kanindot sa art. That was example of art from Kant. So ma-describe nimo sa bisi mo nakita, ma-describe nimo nga si Kant kuan siya kanang philosopher based sa iyang art. Third one na to. Art thus serves a social function, uniting individuals through shared emotional experience. So, ang value sa art makita sa mga tao nga makapalipay di sa ilang emotion or sa pag-response nila sa art. So, So, Art as Communication of Emotion by Leo Tolstoy. Tolstoy posited that art's primary role is to communicate the emotions experienced by the artist to the audience. So, para kan Tolstoy, art purpose is to share the artist's emotions. So, ang audience maka-feel sad o maka-understand sa art nga ipakita. Next is, art thus serves as social function, uniting individual through shared emotional experience. So, maora gihapon ang sa ubos day. Maora gihapon.
So, wala na may questions.
Wala.
So, ang atong activity, dili ra na nato ma-perform karon.
Dili na, pero pwede ra na siya ihatag na lang nato sa mga kauban nato. As na lang sa
So,
Facebook.
sige, ikuan na lang nato, i-share na lang na nato ang atong PPT sa GC, then para ma-answeran na sa nila ang activity.
Pwede ra, track na lang ni
Ano na lang yun.
magunsa.
Sige, MG, wala kay questions, MG? Yeah. Sige, maura to.
Thank you, MJ.
Sige, bye-bye.